Display all components slated for installation. The device includes 2 spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Install the filter. There are 4 small sealing rubber rings on the connection pins, and when unscrewing the filter, you will find another 2 larger rubber rings on the bottleneck. You can replace any of these rings with the spare ones provided in the accessory bag in case of damage. Cotton filter replacement. Remove the cap on the suction port to access the filter. Replace the filter once a week. Install the vacuum cup. Connect one end of the hose to the inlet on the main unit, and connect the other 2 ends to 2 cups. Select the suitable cup based on the size of the treatment area. If only 1 cup is required for the treatment, secure a knot on the spare end of the hose to prevent air leakage. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 15 minutes. Recommended suction time, 12 seconds. Recommended release time, 3 seconds. Recommended mode, M4. You can select the mode from M1 to M5, each with predetermined suction and release durations. Customization of durations is also available if needed. Note, the suction duration should exceed the release time. Adjust the suction intensity based on individual tolerance levels. Tap the Start, Stop button to begin. Power off the instrument and disconnect the power cord.